Fans, me not like having two pet dog is stress. Me trying to shoot a vlog and then one of them start digging up my backyard like him looking for treasure. They look sharp, chain clean, bandana crisp, and look, the back dog embarrass me like me no raise him good. Do not thief, man thief relief so fast. Before the woman reach for your rice, boom, they gone wild it. Like them have delivery service. It's like them register the hurricane for business purpose. Storm mash up house, them mash up neighborhood pocket, same time. Me look pan them look pan me. Me see guilt in them eye, but them still ask me if me want buy back me own oil with them thief. Or you go thief aid and return it like it's online shopping? Me I tell you plain, doing them kind of things no make you no bad man. It make you look like a hungry man with confidence.